Everyone, sir, paper 60 economic class. Okay, now I want to discuss about hierarchy of appeals in respect to act. So we know we have six acts: Competition Act 2002, Prevention of Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Okay, Prohibition of Binomial Property Transaction Act 1988, the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. The Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. Okay, in each act, so what is the hierarchy of appeals? We need to know about such one. Okay, right. Now I am beginning about first, sir, Competition Act. Okay, yeah, Competition Act 2002. So here hierarchy. So where will I aggrieved party will go first to which? Right. So first order against Competition Commission of India. So CCI, Competition Commission of India. Okay. Next further order against Competition Commission of India. Here first level Competition Appellate Tribunal. Competition Appellate Tribunal. Okay. Right. Next, as usual, we know High Court to Supreme Court. These are both. This is the same in every act. So, either High Court and Supreme Court, these two courts deal about only question of law. In case involves question of law involves such cases also only it deals. So this is Competition Act. Next, we need to go another act. Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, next I am going to another act, that is Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Okay, Money Laundering Act. Two 2002. So in this act, so what is the hierarchy? Right. So Prevention of Money Laundering Act. So here first order against adjudicating authority, aggrieved party can put appeal. Yeah, first level here appellate tribunal. Next special courts. Special courts. Next to High Court. So this is the hierarchy. So here appellate tribunal for the Foreign Exchange Management Act 2000, the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. So in such a act and Prevention of Money Laundering Act, so appellate tribunal is same. So this appellate tribunal constituted under Foreign Exchange Manipulators Forfeiture of Property Act, 1976. So this appellate tribunal. Okay, right. Yeah. Next I am going to another act, FEMA Act, for the Foreign Exchange Management Act. In such a act, so what is the hierarchy? Okay, yeah, first foreign exchange, foreign exchange management act, management act, management act 1999. So in this act, so what is the hierarchy? Okay, right. So first, order against adjudicating authority, aggrieved party can go approach here special director, yes, special director appeals, special director appeals. Okay, next appellate tribunal, okay, appellate tribunal, next high court. So next Supreme Court is, that is common. So this is the hierarchy, this is the hierarchy in the Foreign Exchange Management Act. Okay, right. Next, further I go to Prohibition of Benami Property Transaction Act. Right. Prohibition of Benami Property Transaction Act. Property Transaction Act. Okay. Transaction Act 1988. Prohibition of Benami Property Transaction Act 1988. So here, what is the hierarchy? So first, initiating officer. Initiating officer for provisional attachment of property, you need to take approval from approved authority. Next, further adjudicating authority. Next, administrator. Next, appellate tribunal. Appellate tribunal. So this is the hierarchy in respect of Prohibition of Benami Property Transaction Act appeals. Okay, right. Next, I am going to another act, that is RERA. The real estate regulation and development act 2016. The real estate regulation and development act 2016. So in this act, so what is the appeal? What is the hierarchy of appeals? Right. So first here, adjudicating authority, order against adjudicating authority. So here adjudicating authority, RERA, Real Estate Regulatory Authority. Okay, RERA. This is the adjudicating authority. So Real Estate Appellate Tribunal. Here Real Estate Appellate Tribunal. This is the first level. Next, I go to Supreme Court, that is common. Real Estate Appellate Tribunal. Okay, this is the hierarchy in RERA. Okay. next insolvency and bankruptcy code. Okay, bankruptcy code 2016. Right. So here, what is the hierarchy of appeal? So first, individuals forms adjudicating authority, DRT, Debt Recovery Tribunal. So companies adjudicating authority, NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. So appeal goes to here, first appeal DRAT, Debt Recovery Appellate Tribunal, here NCLAT, National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. So we know common High Court to Supreme Court, that is common. Here also same, High Court to Supreme Court. High Court, Supreme Court only in case of question of law. Only question of law. Okay, right. This is the hierarchy of appeals. This is okay, right. Okay, thank you.